Let me start with our collaboration with ICT Academy. First of all, IIT Palakkad Technology IHub Foundation, what we call IPTIF. It's a Section 8 company of IIT Palakkad, hosted at IIT Palakkad and existing for past 5 years. We are specially focusing on the domain of cyber physical system, which largely includes all that we are speaking now: AI, ML, robotics, and intelligent collaborative system, etc. So we have been kind of largely focusing on this deep tech domains, and lately we have started creating skilling modules of it with whatever technology development activities we have already done at IIT Palakkad. We have a lot of things to share with the young students, and which actually helps them to kind of gain the employability skill. We have rightly identified a partner now, that is ICT Kerala. We have been sharing this knowledge with the student community in Kerala. So we are joining our hands together to make it more impactful AI course compared to any other course that you have in market. So this course that we are kind of going to open, we are going to launch today, is a AI/ML course, which will give you ample knowledge. Also, with an immersion at IIT Palakkad, hands-on skills that is industry relevant, which we can kind of promise you that at the end of the course, you will have relevant knowledge. Also, we are combining that with edge computing. So the relevant knowledge that is needed for you to gain a industry role in in future. So you'll be made future ready through this program. So that's the expectation from this collaboration. This is the very first collaboration that we are the program that we are launching together with ICT Academy Kerala. We are having few more in the pipeline in future.